Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Eurofever Detailing, and today we have number 4 of 5 in the Eurofever fleet. Today we're going to be washing the exterior of my girlfriend's 1 Series. This is the 128, so this has a naturally aspirated straight 6. This is actually the N51 rather than the N52. Really, the only differences are emissions based, but in any case, this is one of BMW's most slept on modern classics and very quickly is becoming more and more appreciated, not only from a financial standpoint, but from the community. It's always been in the hearts and minds of the most hardcore and the enthusiasts, whether they want a manual straight 6 coupe or if you want a turbocharged convertible. There are tons of flavors that you can get the 1 Series in, but in any case, the one we have today is what I would call a dream spec. It is carbon black on black. It has the M Sport package. It has the cold weather package, so we have heated seats, we have technologies, so we have the CIC infotainment screen, as well as all the M Sport goodies. So we actually have a rear sway bar, we have the stiffened M Sport suspension, and the little lip on the rear trunk. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to be talking at all throughout this video. I think you've heard enough of my process and how I clean. We're just going to be focusing on the clean itself. So with that, let's get straight into it. a full exterior clean. This car is ceramic coated, if it wasn't obvious with all of that beautiful hydrophobicity. I did it very early last year after a very harrowing 3-stage paint correction, almost 4-stage basically, just fixing up a lot of the neglected areas over, at the time, about 12-year-old paint. This was a 20-footer before I did the paint correction, and now it looks just absolutely phenomenal. You can see there's still a lot of things that I couldn't get out, like just very, very deep etchings from bird poop, but overall it was about a 95% improvement. The paint was so marred and so swirled up. I mean, it's just an absolute mirror now, and I love the look of it now. It's a much deeper blue rather than a black, like black sapphire. It's carbon black. It's supposed to be blue, and in the sunlight, this car looks phenomenal. So with that, thank you so much for watching Eurofever Detail. If you want to check out some of the other cars we've detailed, including our own fleet, you can check that video out up here. Otherwise, press subscribe down here in order to stay up to date when we post new videos. I'm your host, Donovan of Eurofever Detail. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see you guys later. Bye.